In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new automation in your Wix dashboard. Whether you're looking to streamline processes or just want to save some time on repetitive tasks, creating automations can really transform the way you handle your online tasks. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the automation section in your Wix dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and where you'll be able to set up new automations or edit existing ones. Once you're in the automation section, look for the option to create a new automation. This is your starting point for building a custom workflow tailored to your needs. Next up, you'll need to decide what will trigger your automation. Wix gives you a variety of triggering events to choose from, depending on what you're aiming to achieve. For example, you could choose a trigger like CMS, form submitted, if you want the automation to kick in every time someone submits a form on your site. Alternatively, you might opt for product created if you want to streamline tasks every time a new product is added to your catalog. Choosing the right trigger is crucial as it ensures your automation behaves as you intend it to. After setting your trigger, it's time to add a formula step. This step allows you to incorporate conditions into your automation. It's like telling your Wix dashboard, only do X if Y is true. So you'll be adding a new step to your automation and selecting condition here. Setting up the formula itself is the next key task. Click on Customize to open up the options for turning a standard field into a formula field. Head over to the Functions tab, where Wix provides a variety of math functions you can utilize. These functions allow you to build a specific expression that meets your unique requirements. You can even reference fields from your collections as needed, adding a layer of personalization and precision to your workflow. Finally, it's time to define the actions that follow your conditions. This part is where you decide what the automation should do based on the calculations or criteria you've set. You might have it create a new task for one of your team members or send out an email to keep everyone in the loop. The possibilities are vast, and you should tailor them to fit your specific needs. That's all there is to it. Following these steps will allow you to create a smart and efficient automation that works behind the scenes, saving you time and effort. Experiment with different triggers and actions to see what best fits your business model or personal workflow. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find that these automations can significantly enhance how you manage your online presence. Thanks for following along, and happy automating!